we are very happy to have you with us today, along with your team. We have been interacting with you in the past also, and this is a good occasion for us to interact once again and also exchange our thoughts as to what is the latest position in your country. In fact, a couple of months back, a fairly big size delegation from EMA was organized to your country. You might.
This capacity building means training. Capacity building is the very issue, and sharing of knowledge from one area to another area. I can say my experience last time when I've been in Electroma exhibition.
Welcome to all of you. This is Rohit Pathak here. I am Vice President at EMA. Between India and Bangladesh, I can see over the years we have upped the engagement, and we hope that with this, as we come out of this coronavirus lockdowns in both our countries, we will see increased interaction amongst us and support to each other in terms of building our electrical and distribution networks.
Very warm welcome to Vikas Diwan Saab, and I think we had a fantastic engagement when we had gone to Bangladesh in the delegation, and one of the finest meetings that we had was at DPDC, and I think it's very good that we are once again connecting with his team. And
Namaste everybody, and welcome to this webinar from EMA, and a very important topic today. But in last few years, actually, few years, we have been using this platform of Zoom to do our divisional meetings and other web conferencing.
We have been using Zoom for about 4 or 5 years now. It slowly got into our system because we started using it initially for our divisional meetings and subsets, etc. And now, because of the lockdown, in the last 1 month, we have very extensively used not only Zoom but other platforms like Cisco, WebEx, etc.
We're importing almost everything which was there, and naturally, and the independence, we were looking to really instead of importing them, even things like galvanized wire, which I manufacture, things of everyday use, they used to be imported. So
enhancing power production in order to keep pace with the growing demand is the need of the hour.
Today we'll be discussing something very unique, something very different. We've been always talking about, we've been showing our concern about the working capital. We're talking about the cash flow issues. We're talking about the labor, which we're talking now. We're debating about the, the economy, where the fund is going to come in. And here.
So while the supply chain for power sector has not really come on the essential list by the MHA that's done in the orders, but what we've been seeing is that at least both in UP and in Uttarakhand, with a little bit of push, saying that.
Good morning, and I'm trying to even change the way I greet everyone. Namaste. On behalf of Southern Region, and I would like to welcome you all for this very interesting webinar on emerging opportunities in agriculture, food processing, and other related areas.
Namaste and morning to everybody. And thank you, Ravi, for immediately accepting our request to address us today. Today's talk on agricultural, we'd all seen in these difficult times, we were dependent on milk, agricultural items, produce, vegetables, and everything has been available to us at all times.
I will show you certain online tools or online platforms. This is not from any book. This is not from anybody else. It is like absolutely our life.
I think in 1700, the share of agriculture GDP was 65%. And today it has shrunk to 17% of GDP.
For the exercise that we are doing right now, we should submit both physical copy and as well as online copy. And when the scheme is notified, that scheme should be ideally online on the lines of MEIS scheme.
Even if COVID scenario is eased out and work gets started, but definitely it will have great impact.
So we do provide our products, technologies. When I say we, it's for all IEMA members. We had seen pre-COVID situation where it was a case-to-case basis where let's say customer they are not able to travel because other reason, not for the COVID, because that time COVID was not there. So they were sort of they are okay with if they can witness the test remotely.
Demand, size, all of it are responsible for that, not only the manufacturers. And I always, very famously, I always say that efficiency of a manufacturer is equivalent to the efficiency of a buyer.
I normally like to be traveling and talking, sharing some of my thoughts with the many worlds. So that's about, in a nutshell,
I had read a term called, and Tarun can probably tell more about it, called that we humans are cognitive misers.
There are a lot of categories that will really open up. And I personally believe home care, furnishing, paints, people are going to come out and really want to redo their lives after 60.
आप ग्रोथ की बात कहते हो तो मैं कहूंगा हाँ ग्रोथ होनी चाहिए, बहुत अच्छी बात है. ग्रोथ इन व्हाट? पैसा बनाने में, दैट्स ऑल. सो अभी मैं आपका गोल मैं अपनी तरफ से बता रहा हूं. गोल इज टू मेक 4M.
You know, we thought that the reform measures which are currently being discussed at the ministry level is not just restricted to the Electricity Act amendment bill, but it also extends to the Atmanirbhar Abhiyan document.
About the issues in the current term because of the DBT mechanism that has been proposed. Typically, the commissions are deciding the tariffs, and
sincere thanks from the DAA consulting team, and then looked at opportunities and ways and means of coming out of the COVID threat at the earliest.
From tomorrow onward, everything to be, step by step. Now, at this time, we are dealing the present crisis, which is pandemic, coronavirus pandemic, and unfolded the economic crisis. So health crisis, economic crisis, these two are the priorities for the government. But government is...
Electrical industry has three distinct components. One is transmission, one is distribution, and third is last mile connectivity projects, which is essentially part of distribution, but let me treat it as a standalone thing. So transmission, currently India is already in a kind of leadership position because Indian
stadium, maybe making a parliament building. So you require immediately at the back a lot of electrical products and electronic products. So you can do a piggyback with this. So the project export you need to think about. Okay.